Hello and welcome to Madge's News Show. Today's headline takes us to Mount St. Helens. Where? Mount St. Helens. This tragedy began on 1880, March 20th, 8:32. Here's what happened. Mount St. Helens erupted because a 2-month series of earthquakes that shook the ground to make it explode. The explosion was one of the biggest eruptions ever. This disaster most impacts people. 57 people died, 7,000 animals perished. Also, it created a landslide of mud. The average volcano damages lots of things, but mostly wood things. Also, the average volcano is a mountain with a hole and lava. Magma comes out of it. This mountain is different because it changed many things. It killed lots of people. People can not help, but you can make it do less damage. See you later.